Namaste to all my students. Today we are going to discuss one horoscope. This gentleman want to prediction in his future Venus Dasha. Now he is running Ketu Dasha, Mercury Buddhi. In this time he want to purchase one property. Actually, in this horoscope, Ketu is in 12th house. Actually, in this horoscope, his Lagna is Meena Lagna. Ketu is in Kumbha Rasi and 12th house. Actually, this North Indian style and South Indian style horoscope, I will give the screenshot later. Date of birth is 29/3/1987. Time is 5:09:30 a.m. He given 5:10 a.m. I rectified for only 30 seconds, reduced 5:09:30. Place of birth is Chennai. Actually, he want to fear about the Venus Dasha because Venus is in 12th house. In this horoscope, Venus is in 12th house. Therefore, 12th house is the Virayasthana. Therefore, he is very fear about the this one Venus Dasha because his age is around 39. He is running, age is 39. He is working in IT industries. Previously in Ketu Dasha starting time he purchased some land, but that is not appreciated. Therefore he is feeling the Venus Dasha because in this horoscope the fourth lord Mercury, it is also in 12th house. Venus and Mercury in 12th house. Fourth lord, Meena Lagna, fourth lord is Mercury. Mercury also in 12th house. Therefore, he is fear about the Venus Dasha. Now we are going to check how we given the prediction for Venus Dasha. Actually, we are using only the Cuspals only we are using. We are not using aspects, retrogression and the conjunction. These are the common factor. Therefore, placement also the 2 hours it will be same. Therefore, only we are taking 12 Bhava Cuspal only we are taking. We are taking Lagna, this Lagna star lord, Lagna sub lord, Lagna sub lord. This is called a Cuspal, starting point of the Lagna. Not only Lagna, we are taking all the 12 Bhava starting point, that is cusp. We are taking the cusp. In this cusp, the center point, sublord, Cuspal sublord is the fate, is determining the fate of the horoscope. Therefore, we are using only the cusp. We are not using the conjunction and placement also. Placement means 2 hours it will be same. Okay, sir. Therefore, how we are going to give the prediction, we will tell. First of all, I will give the screenshot of this horoscope and a screen recorder also, how I rectified this time. Okay, sir. Now we are going to check the horoscope. First of all, in this Namaste to all gentlemen. This date of birth, this name is Mr. Govindan. Current age is 36 year 5 month 9 days. Date of birth is 29/3/1987 Sunday. The given time is 5:49 a.m. I rectified 5:49:30. 30 seconds only I increased. This is land, birthplace is Chennai Triplicon. Chennai Triplicon, Tamil Nadu. Longitude is 80 degrees 16 minutes east, 13 degrees 33 minutes north. Standard time. These are the Dasha balance. Dasha balance is Saturn Dasha 12 years, 11 days, 27 days. Present current Dasha Buddhi is Ketu Dasha, Mercury Buddhi, Moon Andhra, Saturn, Suchama. Ayanamsa is KP Nucom Ayanamsa, that is 23 degree 40 minutes 3 seconds. These are the matter. Now we are going to, this is the North Indian style horoscope. Actually most of our, we are teaching most of the cases, we are dealing with the South Indian people. Some gentlemen comes from North India, they can use this chart for reference. Now I am going to check how I rectified the time. In this horoscope, the given time is 5:49 is the given time. Given time is 5:49 is the given time. In this horoscope, this is the ruling planet. The ruling planet, this gentleman came from past 5 years. The ruling planet is 15/8/2018, 10:54:51 AM. This is the ruling planet, Chennai Porur. This is the ruling planet. In this moon position, we have to check link with the Lagna position. In moon position, actually, in this horoscope, Kedu is the Lagna sublord. First, Kedu is the Lagna sublord. We have to check Kedu is available in moon position or not. Kedu is available in moon position. Okay, sir. Therefore, we can leave it. Then Venus is here. Here, Saturn, Moon, two planets is here. Any one of the planets should come this area. Already Saturn is in the star lord. Lagna star lord is Saturn. Therefore, we have to put Moon in this area. Any one of the, that is why we made blue color here. Any one of the planet, Saturn or Moon, should come in the sub lord of the Lagna, birth time Lagna. Saturn is already star lord, therefore we have to put Moon only. This is the fast moving sublord, because Ketu sublord is only 3 minutes will come. Okay, sir. Therefore, I increased only 30 minutes, 30 seconds. It is converted as a moon. Therefore, this is the correct time of the horoscope. Okay, sir. Now, the 12 Cuspal position, this is the 12 Cuspal position. Already I given in blackboard, that board, whiteboard. If you want to check, you can pause this video, you can note it. This is the 9 planet position. All the degrees also it will come in this area. All the degree, sun degree, all the planet degree. This is the North Indian style. You can. Now I am going to press Bhava degree also. Bhava degree also. Now I am going to press. This is the Bhava degree. 12 Bhava degree also I mentioned here. You can take it. This is the planet 9 planet position and 12 planet position I mentioned here. 9 planet position and 12 planet position I mentioned here. 12 Bhava potential. Lagna sublord interlink with 1379. To a second sublord interlink with 241012. These are the 12 Bhava interlink. These are the 9 planet interlink. This is for potential of the all Bhava. This is for Dasha Buddhi all the Bhava. Simply asking Venus Dasha. What about is Venus Dasha? Venus Dasha is favorable or not? This is the simple question. I will explain in the whiteboard, but simply I am telling Ketu is interlinked with 1379. Venus is interlinked with 41012. Here star lord is 410, sublord is the 410. Therefore, compared to Ketu Dasha, Venus Dasha definitely it will be good for his financial position. Okay, sir. Meantime, in this horoscope, if you go in our software, the graph indicator, this is the economical and profession and property for that means economical life. For Jupiter, Ketu, we are giving 62%. For Venus, we are giving 74%. Okay, sir. For Venus, we are giving 74%. Ketu, we are giving 62%. Therefore, compared to Ketu Dasha, definitely Venus Dasha is the good. Okay, sir. We will see in the board for how I analyzed this horoscope in Bhava Karaka and Graha Karaka. All these interlink only I will come in whiteboard and analysis. So we will see this. Meantime, we will conduct the online course. We will conduct the online course coming 20 September 2003. We are going to conduct the online class in English. Normally we finished 3 batches in English. It will start Wednesday, Friday, Saturday 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. The course fees is 7,500 rupees. Once you paid the 7,500 rupees, immediately we send 45 numbers pre-recorded videos with study material. I am repeating, once you paid 7,500, immediately we send 45 numbers pre-recorded videos with study material. And live Zoom class, 15 live Zoom class, it will be Wednesday, Friday, Saturday 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. That is also recorded and sent to you. Interested people, please contact this number 9382339084. Okay sir. Meantime, we will made some books also. Already we made more books in Tamil. Actually more than 100 books we written in Tamil, but English 6 books we written in Tamil books, and our software also, the books matter also, it will be available. These details it will be available in the description box. Please see it. Okay sir. Thank you very much sir. Now we are going to analyze the horoscope. Thank you very much. Okay sir. Now we are going to check the horoscope. First of all, in this horoscope, we have to check this person is possible to purchase land or not. The 4th potential is good. 4th sublord is connected. For purchasing of property, 4th house and Venus and Mars we have to check sir. 4th house is the Bhava Karaka. Venus and Mars is the Graha Karaka. Mars is the land and hardware material of the house. That means bricks, sand and steel rod, all comes on Mars Karaka. Venus is tiles, marble, windows, door. All of the luxury item in the house is called Venus. Therefore 4th house and Venus and Mars we have to check the potential of the house. First, in this horoscope, Rahu is the 4th sublord. In any horoscope, first we have to check the potential. This gentleman, this is my client. Past 5 years he came for astrological consultation. He is having some knowledge in traditional astrology also. Therefore, he is fearing about the Venus Dasha, because Venus is 12th house. His age is around 40. He is working in IT industries. Therefore, in future the job is not possible. Job is there or not, I am very fearing sir. Therefore, if I purchase the property cost is around 75 lakhs. He is having only 5 to 7 lakhs only he is having. 90% loan he has to take. His wife also having some job. Therefore, both are taking the property and both are taking as loan. Therefore, it is possible to repay the loan or not. Particularly if Venus Dasha is bad, means because 20 years it is coming, that is giving the problem. Therefore, he asked for the consultation. Now we are going to check he is lose the property or not. Normally any bhava, our golden rule is that any bhava is interlinked with the 8 and 12 means that is having the bad potential. It should be Lagna and that house also. For example, for 4th house, 311 is the bad house. 812 is bad for Lagna. Any bhava should not connect to their 8th house and to Lagna. 311 is unfavorable to 4th house. 812 is unfavorable to Lagna. If it is connected, the fourth sublord connected 311 means he can't maintain his property. He can't hold the property. It will be, after some time, it will be loose from his hand. Fourth sublord connected to 812 means he purchased the property, he will not enjoy. Lot of loans or lot of struggles, he can't enjoy the property. That is why the fourth sublord should not connect 311 and 812. If it is connect 3 means 39 may become or 511 may become, because these are called Sabdama Bhava, or 28 may become, 612 may become, because for 8th house, 2nd house is the 7th house, for 12th house, 6th house is the 7th house. Any Bhava, the 7th house is called controlling the Bhava. Therefore 3, 11, 8, 12 should not come. If it is 3 come means 8 is permittable, 11 come means 5 is permittable. Okay, sir. Therefore, in this horoscope, now we are going to check the fourth sublord. Cut. In this horoscope, fourth sublord Rahu. In this horoscope, Rahu in the star of Mercury, sub of Mercury. Rahu in the star of Mercury, sub of Mercury. Okay, sir. Rahu. If you see in this horoscope, Rahu is the 4 and 10th sublord. 4 and 10th sublord. 4 and 10th sublord. Mercury is not a, it is the 2nd sublord. If any planet is in the own star and own sub, we can take the sub-sublord. In this horoscope, Rahu is in the sub-sub of Jupiter. If the planet is in own star and own sub means, we have to take the sub-sublord. Actually, this is planet, this is star lord, this is sublord. First of all, fourth potential we have to take. Why fourth potential means? The potential is there or not. Already he purchased some land, but it is not appreciated. That is also we will cross check why it is not appreciated for past 5 years. This potential here, the potential is good. Jupiter is the sub-sublord. The fourth sublord is not connected to 3, 11 and 8, 12. Okay, fourth sublord is connected 2 and 2. These are the very good house. For Lagna, special rule is that Lagna is not damaging any house. Therefore, fourth potential is very good. Okay, sir. Now we are going to check the Mars and Venus for the property. And Ketu Dasha, in next video we are going to check the Mars and Venus potential we are going to check. And what compared to Ketu Dasha, Venus Dasha is good or bad, we are going to check. Already these viewers, majority of people are my student. Therefore, you please go through this horoscope. Venus Dasha is good or bad, you put the comment in this video. Next day, tomorrow we will publish in second part of this video. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.